So, today we have a review on biology at 6th grade, which are concepts that we have learned. First one, food chain, deforestation, air pollution, acid rain, recycling, and take care of your environment. Goes to the what is a food chain? A food chain describes the feeding relationship between animals and plants. A food chain is a simplified way to look at the energy that passes from producers to consumers. This is an example of a food chain. But what is in a food chain? First one are producers, second consumers, and third one are decomposers. Producer makes their own food. Green plants use energy from the sun to make food in a process called photosynthesis. Producers are on the bottom of a food chain. This is an example of a producers. Consumers hunt, gather, and store food because they cannot make their own food. This is an example of a consumer. We have three types of consumers: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores, animals who eat plants such as grasshopper, rabbits, squirrels, deers, and pandas. What about another type of consumers is carnivores, animals who only eat other animals like tigers, lions, hogs, and wolves. And the third type are omnivores who eat both plants and animals such as humans and bears. What about decomposers? Decomposers are microorganisms that are able to break down large molecules into smaller parts. Decomposers return the nutrients that are in a living thing to the soil, and these are the examples of decomposers. Now, types of food chains. Aquatic or water food chains, related food chains with sea plants and animals, and this is an example of a food chain in water. And another one is terrestrial, land, related food chains with land, plants and animals, and this is another example of a food chain in land. What is predator and prey? Predator is an animal that captures and eats other animals. The prey is the animal that is captured and eaten. Now we go to another concept, that is deforestation. Happen when we destroy forests by cutting down trees. Which are effects of deforestation: loss of species, water cycle, soil erosion, life quality, and the disturbance of native people. But how can we stop deforestation? Begin by hugging trees. Start planting trees. Also, stop reading and go paperless. When at home, recycle as much as possible. Support companies that produce products by causing minimal harm to the environment. Air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air, which are 5 major pollutants: carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter, and ground level ozone. But which are the problems that cause air pollution? Greenhouse effect, global warming, thinning of upper ozone layer, acid rain, and indoor air pollution. What about acid rain? Acid rain, formed when gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide react with water in the atmosphere, and this is the process that happens, acid rain. How acid rain affects us? It kills microorganisms, it poisons plants, it damages metals and limestones, and it kills fish. But which are the reasons why happen acid rain? The reasons are increasing number of cities, increasing population, increasing industries, and increasing traffic. This is the acid rain. Now we go to another concept, recycling. Recycling is when something is not thrown away but processed into something that can be used again. So recycling is same with reusing. So we can recycle at home, at school, and at the work. Recycling is the art of making waste in a resource. So, what can we recycle? Paper, plastics, metals, glass, e-waste, and textiles and clothing. Take care of your environment. But how can we take care of our environment? To use less water and less energy. For example, switch off the computer, TV, or radio if you are not using it. Switch the lights off when you leave a room. Don't switch on lights during the day, etc. So, now, this is the end. Homework. Check your progress. Complete the book at page 40-41. So, thank you for your attention. Hope you will be okay. Bye.